Hello Bark1165, it's Mel. So I thought I'd create some of these videos to help you with the rest of the content that we had for the week 4 lecture that we didn't get a chance to get through. So the last time we left each other, we were talking about Ebbinghaus and his forgetting curve. So what Ebbinghaus did was he showed that to study memory, we needed to find ways of measuring it. How do we measure memory and forgetting in a way that's meaningful? So there are 3 strategies on this excellent slide that you've got in front of you. The first is to recall. So we can test memory by testing how much information people can give us without any additional cues. The second way of measuring memory is by testing recognition. Recognition is when you give people a list of possible options and they can recognize the correct one out of that list. So this is different from recall, because recall is when you don't tell them the options and then you just ask them for the information. So another way of thinking about it, and the way that I think about it, is to think of recall as an example of recall as a short answer question in an exam. So you've got the question, you've just got to give people the information. Whereas recognition is, for instance, a multiple choice question in the exam, where you've got a list of options and you think, okay, so which of these do I recognise as being correct? Which of these have I seen before? So those are 2 ways that we measure memory. We can also measure remembering through relearning. So what researchers have found is that if you've done something once and then you're asked to do it again, you do it the second, and you learn it again. The second time you learn it at a faster rate. And so that's a finding that we can use to measure remembering and forgetting. And so relearning is identifying how much time or how many trials are required for somebody to learn new material. And so these are the 3 strategies. Recall, like a short answer question, recognition, like a multiple choice question, and relearning, getting someone to do the task again and again and working out how many times they need to do it to be able to get it right. All right?